Hi everyone, good morning. Today I will give you some presentation about Windows Remote Desk Connect and laptop. My laptop some problem. My name is Xingfu. My context about Remote Desk Connect first. Second, some problem. The other issues about my Windows 10. First, Remote Desk Connect. Why I chose this topic before? I think this is very useful function because we can connect to the other remote compute. For example, when I bought my laptop, my office have some problem. I call Microsoft company. Their support office in India. They use the remote desk connect fix my computer problem. So I think this is a very useful future. So I want to choose. But I have some problem when I want to connect to the other remote compute. I can't. My computer shows my remote desk not shows in system properties. If you usually this desk here, but my laptop, my Windows can't have this feature. Our book shows if you can't appear about the remote desk, the problem maybe is firewall. I'm not sure because my firewall maybe have some problem. I'm not sure, but my computer shows your home edition of Windows 10 doesn't support remote desk. I think the most problem is about my computer is vision about home, not professional. If you have professional vision, I think can use the remote desk. This is why I can't connect with the other computer or shows how to works. I think this is the major key problem. The other, during I study Windows 10, even though I began use the Windows early Windows 1995, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 2008, 2007, 2003, and used, but I never used learn it about system. So during I study, I have some problem, especially, my English skill is low. I can't understand or a lot of describe. So I think right now I have some problem. When during I study the time. First, I will know my laptop don't have the presentation setting feature. If you the common feature, we have presentation system here, but my laptop, I think this problem maybe is home vision. But I'm not totally sure. This is one issue. The other issues, I show you my Windows Defender firewall. I want to solve this problem. I ask some guys, they can't help me. I think this is, I'm not sure why I can use the remote desk connect. I think maybe this could be this problem. The other issues about Windows system diagnostic report. even though I chose that many times, but my system diagnostic report is nothing. So I'm not sure. The other I'm interested in about preview pen. This feature I never used before. I never use. No, but I'm interested in why we don't run the apps about Word or PPT or the other apps, but we can see the context. For example, this is for Word file, but we can show some information, especially it's very quickly. We all know we open the Word or PPT have used some times, but right now it's quickly we can show even though it's a picture, this is a picture, we can see. So I want to know how can achieve this. So this is today I want to talk about. Thank you.